Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on the Postmates app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your email on the Postmates app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Postmates app. Next, click on your profile icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on your profile icon in the top right-hand corner. Then click on Edit Account. Then click on Personal Info in the top-hand side. Then click on your email. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and change your email. Afterwards, a verification code will be sent to your email and then click on Update. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your email on the Postmates app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.